Handa ka na ba makinig, marinig sa mga bibitawan ko? Nakakaiba sa mga nakalipas na mga...
Good morning everyone. Today we will be fixing this stuck or broken door cylinder or door key for this 2001 Honda Civic. Let's go check it out. So the door cylinder got stuck. It's broken. So it's unlocked. Let's try to lock it. Power lock, switch, lock, but still it won't lock. Let's go fix it. So the first thing that we had to do is to remove this door panel. Let's start from here. So you have to remove this thing. And then there is a lock here. It's locked. There you go. So you get this small lock. It's like also a lock in here. I don't know if you could see it. There's this cylinder key. So let's put it here. Now let's try to figure it out. So it's not moving. See, it only moves a little bit. So the first thing that we have to do is to remove this spring. See this? Let's remove the spring. Okay. So that's the spring. And then Be careful in removing this, and don't remove the key. It's always inserted, otherwise all the tumblers will fall down. So now we find the problem right away. See this? Tumblers sticking out. This one. So this makes the key cylinder on spinning. So we have to remove this, or we will like smoothen this. So we will just smoothen this. It takes a while to do it. Like I said, don't remove this key. It's always inserted at all time, otherwise all the tumblers will fall down. Now it's already smooth and round. So try to like feel it. If there's something still sticking out, and I guess there's no more. I'll clean it with the WD-40. So after we clean it, now let's put this first. So see this, there's like I don't know how I called it, 1 and 2. See this? It should be aligned with this. So like that. So this is where the spring goes, where the lock. So see this is the spring. Put it on. Now see that, there's the spring. Okay. Oops, hold on. If it won't go, do it again. Keep on doing it. Go. One more time. There you go. Nice. Alright. Now it was placed correctly. Now see this? Now you can spin it. See? This should be like this. Alright, let's put it on. Let's put on the lock. There you go. And then let's insert it this way. So this is on this side and this one is on that side. So let's put it on. Just want to show you how does it looks. So that's how it looks. Now let's go check if it's gonna work. Okay. Now it's locked. Alright. Lock. Lock. Alright. That's good. So there you go, guys. That's how you fix a key cylinder for 2001 Honda Civic. If you had any question, any suggestion, please comment below, and please like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and bye for now.